Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to share a TikTok video on Snapchat. So if you want to share a TikTok video on your Snapchat, what you have to do is first of all you have to open up your TikTok application, and after opening your TikTok application now you have to select the video that you would like to share, and after selecting your video just tap on share, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. And after tapping on share now you have to select Snapchat. After selecting your Snapchat, now it will take you to the Snapchat's camera roll. So now what you can do is you can edit this video and add some stickers to it. And after editing that, what you can do is just tap on the send to option, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. And now you can add it to your story, or you can send a specific friend that you would like. So this is a way how you can share a TikTok video on Snapchat. But there is another way. So sometimes when you try to share a video from TikTok to your Snapchat, what it does is it will show you an error like this video is too long or this video can't be shared. So to avoid that error, what you have to do is you just have to tap on the share icon, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and now you have to tap on save video. And after tapping on save video, what it does is it will save this video to your camera roll. So after saving this video, what you can do is just come back and open your Snapchat application. And after opening your Snapchat application, what you can do is just upload the video which you have saved from TikTok. So now you have to tap on the photo like icon, which is on the bottom left side of your screen, and from here you have to come up to your camera roll and then select the video which you have saved from TikTok. After selecting that video, now tap on send to, and after tapping on send to, now you can share this video or you can add it to your story. So this was the other way how to share a TikTok video on Snapchat. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.